Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting for me. I'm hoping that a lot of you will not be put off by this, but I have a feeling that a lot of you are going to be really excited. Keep in mind, this is my channel and this is my life, and as you all know, I do like to experiment on occasion, and I have come to a long, drawn-out, contemplating decision, if that even makes sense, of what I'm about to tell you that I'm going to do. February 11th, 2013, I made my very first video. You can click under videos and check, go under the oldest tab. You can see my very first video. It was regarding Weight Watchers. Since that video, I have grown and learned things and have tried so many different things in order to lose weight and get healthy. And I have been my most successful following keto, as we all know. And when thinking about keto and what that actually means is our body becomes a fat burner and we no longer burn glucose. There are so many different plans out there that you can follow online. There's so many ways to eat to get your body into ketosis. And over the last few years, I have to say, again, I've done everything. I've done Weight Watchers, Medifast, Wonder Slim, Keto, Weight Watchers, Medifast, Wonder Slim, Keto. I kind of like cycle throughout all of these things over the last few years. And there are two things that always worked very well for me. One was the Medifast diet, and two was just regular keto, buying your own food in the grocery store. So with that being said, guys, as you all know, I have been really devoting myself into fitness and the gym and wanting to compete in a competition. And with that came slowly pulling away from keto for a while and upping my calories and my macros so that I can put on the lean muscle that I have already put on, and I continue to do so. About, I don't know, a month ago maybe, I dove right back into hard keto because the summer is coming up and I really wanted to lean out and to enjoy seeing some of the muscle that I put on, and eliminating some of the body fat that I put on in order to achieve that. So I've been in a little bit of a funk lately and I don't know what's going on. I do know that I am perimenopausal. I know that I get hot a lot, which is a sign of it. And I know that, you know, I'm having difficulty sleeping at night, and, you know, my hormones right now are a little off kilter. And, you know, having blood tests and things like that, I've just come to a decision. So here it is. The word keto, again, it means fat burner. So I'm going to dive into the world of Medifast again, which is now called Optavia. And through the research that I've been doing, they have come a long way since early on, and they are using stevia and natural sweeteners rather than the aspartame. And a lot of their products don't have soy in them like they used to. Some of them still do. So if you're, you know, one of those people that are not into the soy, there are many things to choose from. The program has evolved so much. Now, you guys might be thinking, what the hell are you doing? The Optavia plan is a keto plan. It keeps you in ketosis. However, as you guys all know, I've said it a million billion times, my best way to burn body fat is when I eat every couple of hours. I've tried intermittent fasting recently. It was working for a while, and then it went to pot. I just get really hungry, and that's just me. And some people will argue, well, you're not in a full ketosis if you're hungry. That's not true, guys. I sometimes at the gym can burn up to 800 calories using my Polar, using my Fitbit, tracking my heart rate and the way that I work out. So I don't think it's that. I just think that I require a certain amount of nutrients and things like that to keep up with my workouts. What I do know on this Optavia is I might have to tone it down a little bit early on because I have to get used to this. This program is packaged food, so I won't have to be technically shopping in the grocery store for much other than some protein, some fat, and some other things that now you are allowed to have. It's very similar to keto, guys. It's just the food is already created and I don't have to come up with crazy ways of cooking. I don't have to eat in an 8-hour time frame and fast all night. It's just, I think over the last year, my body's been put through a lot with the training and the cyclical eating and the upping my calories, lowering my calories, fasting, not fasting. And I had really good success on Medifast back in the day. And like I said, it's called Optavia now. So what I did was I reached out to a health coach through their company, and we've been chatting and discussing things. And yeah, so I will be starting this program over the weekend. I ordered through their company the food that I'm going to be eating for 30 days. And I'm going to let you know how it goes. I mean, 30 days is not the end of the world. I definitely know that I can do well on it. And if I do, you'll know about it because I'm going to document everything, every single thing, everything I eat, all the different ways I'm making my meals, what's going on in the gym. Like, this is going to be a whole new chapter for me for 30 days. If I do amazingly well after the 30 days, I will probably continue for another 30 days, as you all know, or maybe you don't know. My husband and myself are going to Germany over the summer because Jess has a show. He's a singer of a band, and he has a show overseas, and I want to look good. Right now, I'm not feeling it. I still feel that I could be leaner. I'm having a hard time leaning out. I'm having a very hard time. My body, between the perimenopause, my age, I think the constant changing of things has really taken a toll. I'm still being consistent. I'm still in the gym. It's not like any of that has changed. It's just I'm having a hard time leaning out. So this is something that I want to try. I'm sorry if any of you out there get upset. I know it's packaged food. You don't have to leave any nasty comments. I get it. But what I wanted to do is, as always, be transparent with you guys. So I, again, will be documenting. You'll see everything. When the box comes with everything, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you everything about it. I'm going to talk to you in depth about it. And I will remain in a state of ketosis because I don't think right now I'm in that. I don't think I'm in ketosis. I'm doing the best I can. For some reason, my body feels like it's booted out. So I'm going to try that. And I'm excited. We're all different in this world. And using the knowledge that I have with keto and knowing that this plan puts you into ketosis, it's a no-brainer. And I'm a nurse. So for me, at this time in my life right now, I think the packaged foods will be a no-brainer for me. I could take the stuff with me to work. I don't have to worry about all that meal prepping like I've been doing and taking up my entire refrigerator and making everyone in my house aggravated when they can't put anything in there. You know, it's just something that I want to do. So again, 30 days, I'm going to see how I do. I will keep you updated. You're going to see before and afters. You're going to see all the food I eat. You're going to hear about the plan. I'm going to show you the way I make different meals. And if you are at all curious about it, let me know. If not, I'm sure that some of the foods that I'm eating, you can create yourself with food bought from the grocery store. It's just a calculated plan. And the plan is run by a bunch of physicians and dietitians, and you, me, will get all the vitamins and nutrients. I mean, that's another thing on keto that's very difficult for me, is getting in my potassium and my magnesium. And I'm so dependent on keeping track of that and making sure I get in my nutrients, my B vitamins, my D vitamins. It's hard. You guys know that. I'm feeling very deficient, and I think lack of sleep, I don't know why I'm not sleeping, you know, just there's a lot going on. My body is under stress. This will make it easy, and I'm gonna go for it. So I hope you still continue to follow me, guys. I will still be in ketosis. and I will be eating every 2 to 3 hours, and I will be creating my own with food bought from the grocery store, dinners and lunches depending on when I want to eat that food. So it's nothing crazy. So I just wanted to fill you in, and I would love for you to let me know what you think below. Please keep your comments positive, guys. This is, again, my life, my channel, and if you don't agree with me, I'm sorry, but this is something that I'm doing for myself. I feel at this stage of the game I need to do it. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. And it's something that I want to do. So anyway, with that being said, I love you. And I will see you in the unboxing video coming up this weekend. Have a great day. Stay focused, guys. Bye.